this is the most likely place for the landing of the ramps because it goes straight ahead to the Daang Maharlika Highway, where the northbound landing of the ramps will be constructed also. Kasi dalawang rampa yan eh. At dalawang landing papuntang Samal Island, kung saan nga ay inumpisa na nila doon yung landing naman doon katabi ng Paradise Island Beach Resort. At meron ding gagawing roundabout doon o yung rotunda kung saan makakaikot ka to navigate the circumferential road of the island garden city of Samal. And right in front of us is the Azuela Cove. Kaway, kaway!
Ay, Martin! Shout out sa taga-Quezon, ya!
Shout out daw. Ito yung building ng kaibigan kong dating may-ari ng kaibigan kong si Benny Escora, kilala sa Davao na BTE. Ito ay tinatrabaho na nila at this is now being refurbished. It is one of the most beautifully architecturally designed building in Davao City. Kasi yung mga engineer at saka mga architect ni Benny Escora, mga magagaling yun sa design. Ito, katabi siya ng isa pang maganda ring disenyo ng simbahan galing Utah ito. This is the Utah Design Church. Most especially Salt Lake City. Utah ba? Yung Utah Jazz na team sa NBA kung saan nandoon si kabayang Jordan Clarkson. Ito yung church na ito na galing doon. At saka they have a very expensive piece of property that they are only using for basketball. Remember that this area now here, the JP Laurel Avenue, where a current building construction boom is going on, is now one of the most expensive area of real estate. And they are talking about making it more beautiful than the BGC or the Bonifacio Global City. Tingnan natin. Kaya ko nasabi na merong construction boom dito. Ito, nagtataasan itong mga crane towers eh. Para yan sa mabilisang paghahatid ng mga bakal, kung ano-ano pa, mga tao. Meron ding ah, elevator. Temporary yan para sa mga trabahante at saka they are being used for the deliveries of construction materials. One that cannot be carried by the crane towers. At meron na rin silang concrete boom doon sa taas para sa mas mabilis na for the fast the concreting of the slab. Kasi ano ito matayog itong building na ito The area here is well kept, well manicured, well maintained. Ito yung paborito kong anggulo dito. Kasi moderno siya. And this used to be when the Vivaldi residences is completed, Aeon Towers here will no longer be the tallest. Because this is only 35 floors, while Vivaldi Residences is 41, including the many floors pababa para sa kanyang mga parking areas.